Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. So welcome in this small video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily install plugin into your WordPress website. So yeah, let's jump into my screen. So here we are logged into a test website, the dashboard, of course, the back office of the website. Most people may already know how to do that, but here is the option. We go to plugins. When we go to install plugins, here we see already the installed ones. These are two standard ones who come with installation of WordPress, but in this case we want to add a new plugin. So we just click on add new. Here are some recommended plugins, but we do not want that. Here there are also some tabs. You can browse for some popular ones. These are in fact popular ones. Contact form, of course, this is for contact form. Yoast SEO, this is SEO plugin. Pretty good. Many people like that. Some people don't like that. They prefer other SEO plugins, but I'm a fan of it. WooCommerce, this is for webshop, etc. WordFence, this is for security, so you don't get hacked, or at least it's an extra protection. This is also a good SEO plugin. This is for Google Analytics. This is a backup plugin. This is contact form analytics. This is also a good plugin. Page builders, duplicators, cache for making website faster, etc. These days we are now 2019, mostly for everything you want online there's a plugin. This is good, okay, but also a little bit dangerous. Why? If we check this example, the contact form 7, this is a very popular and good plugin, trusted one, as you see. Why is it trusted? Well, that's easy. I always advise when you install a plugin, check how many installations there are. 5 million plus, so that's good. Since the last time, it was updated 4 months ago, so yeah, that's good. And you can also check this, the creator of the plugin. It's of course another language, but you can check. But what I mostly do, I check these things, the reviews and the installations and the update. That's what I do. And when you are using WordPress for some years, etc., mostly you always use the same plugins. Why? You know the plugins are good and trusted, and that's good and fun. So let's do a test. Let's install this one, contact form 7. So you just click on install now. Nothing fancy or difficult there. You just wait, and then you see you get this button activate. You activate the button, and then it depends what the plugin is, but in our case here is the contact form. So when you click on it, then you can edit the settings, etc. So let's go back to the plugins. So if you go back to the installed ones, here we see contact form 7 is already installed. So let's install a new one, or no, let's remove this one. This is also a question I now and then get. Rather easy, but you just go to install plugins, we hit deactivate, and then you see the delete button. You just hit delete, and then we click on OK. Good, let's install a new plugin. So you see, guys, rather easy, right? There are also some tabs. What is it? Recommended. Let's see what they recommend, or the favorites. It's more or less all the same, I see. This is a cache plugin. I'm not a huge fan of the cache plugins, etc. Why? In the past I had some bad experience with it. All through, this is a good one, WP fastest cache, but I prefer to have some fast hosting, right? So you guys know I mostly use HostGator because this is a trusted and fast hosting company, and if everything is okay, then you don't normally need such plugins. Of course, there are other things also to tweak and upgrade the speed of your website. This was the plugin I had some issues with in the past. All through, it's a huge popular one. You see it has 1 million active installations. So I don't say it's bad, but I don't like it anymore. So this is a popular one. You see 3 million installations. I always advise to install a security plugin. Once again, the hosting is crucial. It's really important to stay safe online. So the hosting is one of the first things for the safety online. So let's install this one. This is called the WordFence Security. This will protect your website a little bit more. Once again, this is not the golden plugin, etc. If you want to be really safe, then it's really simple. It's just like you are working on your computer, just have a backup. Then you are super safe. And most important is store the backup online and offline on 2 locations. So okay, let's activate the plugin. So you see it's just going to the menu, add new. You search for the plugin, we click on what is it, install now, and then we click on activate. So yeah, we get a message, you have successfully installed WordFence. So let's click continue. Would you like to join? No, it's just whatever. Okay, I need to fill in a need to fill something in, right? And then they want to no thanks. So but once again, this is for testing, so normally I would use my professional email address, of course, or my Gmail, doesn't matter. So once again, you go to the plugins, and then you see, okay, this one is already activated, and mostly then you can see here, this is WordFence, this new option. This is of course from the new plugin. Other plugins you can find mostly after installation here under settings. Now it's not showing a lot, but mostly it can be there also. So yeah, that's all for this small video. Like you see, installing plugins is super easy, that's not the problem, but please always watch out and just check in 10 seconds how many installations there are, when was the last update, and if they are popular or not. But even the popular plugins can be hacked, of course, but yeah, you know how it goes. If it's recently patched and updated, then most are safe. But once again, always invest in proper hosting, because that's also important for the speed and the safety of your website. Okay, that's all for this video. If you have other topics you want me to record a video, just comment below, guys. Bye.